Today we are going to have a look at how to use the present continuous tense in real-life situations. I'm going to explain to you the logic behind this tense so that you can use it like a native speaker. It's a really basic tense, one of the first ones that we study when learning English. But do you really know how to use it? I have also prepared a short bonus at the end of this video, so please make sure to watch it until the end. Let us begin, shall we? The most important function of the present continuous tense is, of course, complaining. You are never listening to me when I'm talking to you. You are always giving me this strange look when I order pizza with extra cheese. You are always dropping your dirty clothes all over the apartment. You are always leaving empty cartons of milk in the fridge. Now this is a serious crime. You may also find yourself under the unfavorable circumstances when you need to disclose your fixed plans to someone in order to avoid unnecessary human contact. That's when the present continuous tense, with a little help of your imagination, come into play. Hi! Hey man, what are you up to tonight? We're going out for a beer with some friends. Would you like to come? Actually, I'm terribly busy right now. You see, I'm reading this fascinating novel about a poor Hungarian refugee living in the times of the Second World War. Oh, that's too bad. See you next time then. Bye. Okay then, bye. Die, you piece of sh**. In general, the present continuous tense can be used for making excuses when you don't want to meet with someone. Can we catch a movie tonight? I'm sorry, I'm visiting my grandmother. Can we meet at the weekend? Oh, I'm going away for a city break. Could we meet next month? Oh, I'm actually moving to the Philippines. Another important function of the present continuous tense is making obvious observations about things that are happening now in order to kill an interesting conversation and make your date run away from you. Oh look, the sun is shining, the birds are singing. Oh look, it's raining. Let us assume that you are playing golf or billiard with your friends. You want to contribute to the interesting conversation, and you want to appear intelligent and well educated. In this case, you may just throw in a few sentences in the present continuous tense to discuss the current trends. The costs of apartments are constantly increasing. The profits of my company are skyrocketing. The stakeholders are selling their shares in the company. Another way you can use the present continuous tense is to highlight that something is temporary. Let's imagine that you don't have a serious job or a profession that the parents of your girlfriend might approve of. In this case, you may use the present continuous tense to emphasize that this is just for the time being until you pull yourself together, get a real job, and start making money. Tell me, Xavier, what do you do? Yeah, I'm just kind of traveling, I'm looking for myself, just chilling. Let's try that again, shall we? Tell me, Xavier, what do you do? I'm currently teaching English and posting videos on YouTube. A lot of people ask me, what do you do to stay in such a good shape? Okay, they don't ask me that, but they ask me about the difference between the present continuous and present simple tense. Think of the present simple tense as a drill sergeant. I wake up at 6. I go to work. I go to the gym. I buy groceries. The present simple tense carries this pressure of doing things regularly. The present continuous tense is more of a laid-back, Big Lebowski kind of character. He's only interested in what is happening now and what is temporary. I am sitting. I am drinking. This weekend I'm going to a party. I am writing a book, but I don't know if I will ever finish it. Let's revise the structure of the present continuous tense. First of all, you need to conjugate the verb to be. That's easy. It's a walk in the park, it's a child's play, it's a breeze. The next part is about adding the ing ending, which can be a bit tricky. If a verb ends in e, you will need to take away the last letter and then add ing. In case of short one-syllable verbs, you will need to double the last consonant of this word. Some verbs are irregular, and you will have to learn them by heart. In some cases, the spelling might be different in British and American English. For example, traveling. If you are not sure about the correct ing form of a verb, you can always look it up in a dictionary. I am aware that it's a dreadful and agonizing experience, but it's always a better idea than to ask about your friend who passed an FC exam 10 years ago. And that's it. I hope that this video has taught you how to complain, make obvious observations to kill a conversation, contribute to conversations while playing golf or billiard, and talk with your future in-laws about you not having any career or any remote idea what you would like to do with your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, whenever you have the chance, learn English. Thank you for staying with me until this point of the video. What I have prepared for you are 10 ways to say that something is easy. Please note that some of these expressions are more typical for British speakers of English, while the others are used more often by American speakers. Please also remember that all of these expressions are quite informal. Do you know all of them? No sweat. Can you fix my computer? No sweat. Cinch. The exam was a cinch. Child's play. Programming is a child's play. Breeze. You won't have any problems with passing the test. It's a breeze. Smooth sailing or plain sailing. Once we got to the main road, it was plain sailing. Straightforward. Just follow the manual. The instructions are very straightforward. A walk in the park. He's an experienced engineer. It's a walk in the park for him. Doddle. The exam was a doddle. Cakewalk. Winning the championships was a cakewalk for him. No-brainer. The decision was a complete no-brainer. And that's it, and that's that. Someone's drilling. Someone is drilling. I can hear that my neighbor is drilling in the wall.